Arella.
This is my name.
Why are you hiding? Yeah, for today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella, so we can check how smart she is. Arella, they can see you. So here's my question. Would you rather live someplace that's warm all the time, or someplace that there's always snow on the ground? Parang gano'n lang. Ano bang gusto mo? Yung lugar na laging warm?
Saan yung snow? Left or right?
Yung, Rela, sige na.
Snow.
Snow, lahat na sa, nag-i-snow.
Gusto ko snow.
There's snow everywhere.
I want snow.
Okay. Why?
I can play.
Yeah, you can.
Do you wanna do the snowman? Come and go, let's play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. Let's go the way.
Ang ganda ng boses. Okay.
Did you see best buddies? But now we're not. I wish you could tell me why. Do you wanna be a snowman?
Yeah, okay. So, Rella wants a place where where there is always snow. Aside from that, you can build a snowman. What else?
I can play snowball.
Oh yeah, what else? Aside from playing with the snow.
I can make a fort. I can play in snow.
Aside from playing in the snow, what else?
You can snowboarding.
Yeah, you can do snowboarding.
It's like wushu.
Well, aside nga from playing, kahit anong place pa ang ginagawa mo sa snow. Aside from playing,
pwede naman ice rink, pwede ka mag-ice skating. Diba? Minsan naman may lake na frozen na ice skating ka.
Yeah,
Oh Lord, di ko po alam.
Yeah, I'm seeing that in some shows too, pero ako, I will not risk myself, no?
Why?
Yung mga river na nag-snow or ano man yung nag-snow na yun. Ayoko nga. Malay mo, mamaya mag-crack yung ano. I can't imagine. Mag-crack ba? Halma, nag-ice skating ka. Tapos biglang mag-crack, oh. Di mahuhulog ka rin sa water. Di pa naman ako marunong lumangoy.
Ako nga marunong na eh. Dapat mag-shelter ka kung nahulog ka.
Pwede naman. Just in case.
Sa'yo, hot or cold? Warm or cold?
I love colder place also.
Kaya ko naman warm eh. Dapat warm pili mo. Diba
ano po yun?
Diba po, gusto mo po sa mainit kasi.
Ay, hindi.
Kasi sabi mo kahapon, nag-aircon. Patayin natin yung aircon.
Syempre, maghapon na yung, magdamag na nga yung aircon, tapos maghapon pa. So, ayun, syempre, parang mas masarap tumira sa place na malamig kaysa mainit.
Kasi pag mainit, sabi, init ka na.
Pero pag mainit kaya, nakakasama din ang pakiramdam. Minsan nakakatamad din kumilos, no? Kagaya ng weather natin past weeks. Pag sobrang init, nakakatamad din kumilos. Kaya, much better to live in a colder place. Para tayo.
Baka yung lola ko, alam mo bakit mo sasabihin niya? Mainit!
Okay. Yeah, para kami ng sagot ni Rella. Keep quiet. Thank you for watching our video. Till next. Bye. God bless.
Bye. God bless.